Welcome students, class 10th maths chapter 2 polynomial exercise 2.2 question number first. Find the zeros of the quadratic polynomials and verify the relation between the zeros and coefficients. Okay, so students, yesterday we discussed about the relation between the zeros and coefficient of the polynomial. Sum of the zeros alpha plus beta equal to minus b upon a, and the product of zeros alpha beta equal to c upon a. Using these we verify the relation between the zeros and coefficients. Let us start. We have to given a question, quadratic polynomial x square minus 2x minus 8. First we have to find the zeros of this polynomial and then verify the relation. We use the middle term split method to find the zeros of this polynomial. You know the coefficient of x square is 1 and the constant terms is 8. First multiply the constant terms with the coefficient of x square. It means 1 into 8, that equal to 8. Okay, middle term split method, 1 into 8 equal to 8. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, फर्स्ट स्टेप आप जानते हैं कि एक्स स्क्वायर के कोफिशिएंट से इस कांस्टेंट टर्म को मल्टीप्लाई कर लेते हैं. मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद जो हमको नंबर्स मिलेगा उस नंबर्स के ऐसे फैक्टर्स करेंगे जिन फैक्टर्स को ऐड करके या सब्ट्रैक्ट करके मिडिल टर्म के कोफिशिएंट के इक्वल आ जाए, यानी 2 लाना है. बट दिस 2 कहाँ से आएगा? ये 2 व्हेन वी मल्टीप्लाई द 1 एंड 8 वी गेट 8. अगेन फैक्टराइज द 8 in a such way the factor if we add or subtract then we get 1, sorry, we get middle term coefficient 2. So the factor of 8 is 4 into 2, 4 to 8, and when we subtract these factors then we get 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. means इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करके 8 आया. 8 के हमने ऐसे फैक्टर किए जिनको ऐड करके या सब्ट्रैक्ट करके मिडिल टर्म के कोफिशिएंट के बराबर आना चाहिए. तो ये हमारे 4 माइनस 2 इज इक्वल टू 2 आ गया. तो हम इस मिडिल टर्म को स्प्लिट किया हमने 4 माइनस 2. सो वी कैन राइट एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस दिस माइनस स्प्लिट 2 4 माइनस 2 इंटू एक्स माइनस 8. ओके, नाउ ओपन द ब्रैकेट, माइनस 4 इंटू एक्स माइनस 4x माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस 2x. Okay, now take the common in the first two terms. There will be there will be x common, and the last two terms we get the common 2. Then finally we get x remaining x minus 4 remaining here plus 2 take common, x remaining here minus 2 4 ja 8 4. Okay, again we see that x minus 4 and x minus 4 common in both terms. Then we again take the common x minus 4. So finally we get x minus 4 into x plus 2. दूसरे ब्रैकेट में जो बचे हुए हैं उनको लिख लेते हैं x plus 2. अब you have to find the zeros. First if x minus 4 is equal to 0 and the second one is x plus 2 is equal to 0. There are two zeros of this quadratic polynomial. If x minus 4 is equal to 0, then we get transposing the 4 in the right hand side, then we get x equal to 4, and this goes to right hand side, then we get x equal to minus 2. So we get the two zeros of this polynomial x equal to 4 and x equal to minus 2. So we can say, so the zeros of the polynomial are 4 comma minus 2. Now students, sum of the zeros, we got the two zeros 4 and minus 2. So the sum of the zeros 4 plus minus 2 equal to plus into minus minus 4 minus 2 equal to 2. Finally we get the sum of the zeros is 2. And the product of zeros 4 into minus 2, product of zeros 4 into minus 2 equal to 4 to 8 minus 8. जब हमें दो रूट्स मिले हैं 4 और माइनस 2, उनका सम किया हमने तो उनका सम आया 2 और उनका जो प्रोडक्ट है, उनका जो मल्टीप्लिकेशन है वो आया 8 माइनस ऑफ 8. नाउ यूजिंग द रिलेशन बिटवीन द कोफिशिएंट एंड zeros, sum of the zeros, first we compare this given polynomial with the standard form ax square plus bx plus c. Then we get ax square, a means coefficient of square, here coefficient of x square is 1, a equal to 1, b is the coefficient of x, so b is equal to minus of 2, and c is the constant term c equal to minus 8. Okay, this compare is very simple. A equal to 1, b equal to minus 2, c equal to minus 8. Then put these in the formula, sum of the zeros, you know formula, minus b upon a. So minus this minus b, value of b is minus 2, so minus bracket minus 2 upon a is equal to 1, minus into minus plus 2, 2 upon 1 is 2. So finally we get the sum of the zeros equal to 2, and when we add the zeros which we find also get 2. So this verify that the relation between the zeros and the coefficient are equal. Okay, again this product of zeros equal to c upon a, you know the formula c upon a. So c is minus of 8 upon a is equal to 1. So finally we get the c upon a, any product of 0 is equal to minus of 8, and here also the product of 0 is equal to minus 8. Then we can say that the relation between the zeros and the coefficient is true for this given polynomials. Okay.